That's terrible. Destroyer. The perfect duo ushers in a new era in the woodworking industry. With a powerful 530 horsepower engine, the class Xarion 5000 combined with the TP400 easily handles the hardest wood blocks, providing outstanding performance and fast working speed. Along with the class Xarion 5000, the class 950 Duo, and the Wüsthacker BBHK E100 wood chipper are also formidable war machines in the field of wood processing. With a powerful 500 horsepower engine, the class 950, combined with the Wüsthacker wood chipper, can easily crush all types of wood, from large tree trunks to small branches, meeting all production needs. For projects that require high performance and absolute precision, the Senebogen 818E is the perfect choice. With its powerful engine and versatile design, this excavator meets all the requirements of the construction and mining industries, from material handling to land leveling. Imagine a giant mechanical monster lifting giant rocks with ease. That's El Palomo. With its superior power, the machine can easily handle all kinds of heavy materials. However, on rough terrain, the machine may have some difficulty moving. Do you want to know more about the secrets behind these machines? Leave one to discover now. Oh my God! Horrible accident. Logging truck stuck in the middle of a ravine. Danger lurking. Looking for a wood chipper that can handle any challenge? The Bandit Beast Model 2680 is the perfect answer. With a powerful 768 horsepower engine and a weight of 39,693 pounds, this machine is ready to tackle the largest of logs. Eschelbuck Biber 92, the ultimate solution for logging sites. With a powerful 400 horsepower engine and a weight of 30,964 pounds, this machine helps you process large amounts of wood in the shortest time. As a result, you will save time and costs, improving production efficiency. Starkholz combined with the Grohe Holzspalter GSW40 wood chipper is impressive. With a 40 horsepower engine and a weight of 6,613 pounds, the machine helps you split wood quickly and easily. Can you imagine the productivity increase thanks to the machine's superior power? In Scotland, the log set 12H Clearfell is a mighty warrior conquering vast forests. With a 210 horsepower engine and a weight of 39,693 pounds, the machine easily rips through tough timber. The Husqvarna 572 XP chainsaw is unbelievable. With a 5.7 horsepower engine and a weight of 89 pounds, this chainsaw is truly a monster that can handle any type of tree. Its sharp, precise cutting ability makes it not wood resistant. Stuck in the middle of the forest, the log truck is like a trapped animal. Is there any way to rescue it? The answer will be in Stuck Log Truck Recovery. The Caterpillar 527 skidder is a mighty warrior conquering the forests. With a 190 horsepower engine and a weight of 24,250 pounds, the machine can easily drag giant logs. High durability and stable performance help the machine operate continuously in harsh conditions. Two pound weight, is truly a tree-pulling monster. It easily handles the largest tree stumps, helping to clear land quickly and bringing high efficiency to mining and agricultural sites. Would you believe that a 25 horsepower, 5,511 pound splitter can handle large logs with ease? Is it the perfect solution for cutting wood lengthwise, outperforming other tools? Equipped with a hot saw head and a 280 horsepower engine, the Tiger Cat LX830D feller buncher is the perfect tool for logging jobs. Weighing in at 57,638 pounds, the machine is stable and efficient on any terrain, meeting the requirements of the job. The Husqvarna 560 XP and Harvester Pons Ergo 8x8 are the perfect combination to increase logging productivity. With powerful engines and smart design, this duo helps to reduce time and effort, bringing high economic efficiency. Thanks to the Skidder LKT81T, transporting wood in the forest has never been easier. With a 250 horsepower engine and intelligent design, the machine helps the operator work efficiently and safely, even in harsh working conditions.